In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Trim Polylines command. This command is used to trim one or more selected polylines by intersecting them with another polyline. It's especially useful when cleaning up extra geometry, adjusting line work, or making sure your polylines fit neatly within a defined boundary. To begin, go to the Map Edit ribbon menu and select Trim Polylines. This will open the Trim Polylines dialog box. In the Define Trim Polyline section, you can choose whether to draw a new trim polyline or use an existing one from the map view. Let us use the Select Trim Polyline option. In this case, click the Pick button and then choose the Trim Polyline from the map view. The status will be updated as selected in the dialog box. Next, in the Select Polylines to Trim section, specify which polylines should be trimmed. Click the Pick button and select the desired polylines directly from the map view. Once selected, press Enter or right-click and choose Done. The total number of polylines selected for trimming will appear in the dialog box. If you need to start over, you can always click the Clear button to remove previous selections. Once you've defined both the trimming boundary and the polyline to be trimmed, click OK. The software will automatically trim the selected polylines wherever they intersect with the trimming polyline.